Using the 16 centimeter wire, fold the edges. Okay, like this, and the edge. Then grab your yellow yarn, make a magic ring. Chain. Then 6 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 6, slip stitch in the first stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn. This is the front and this is the back. Insert your hook before this tail in this front loop only. Here. Then insert the color of your flower, chain of 2. Then double crochet in the same front loop only stitch. 1, another double crochet, then chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, then slip stitch in the next front loop only stitch, but skip the first chain beside the yellow tail. Insert in the next, then slip stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, then chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, then slip stitch in the next front loop only stitch, and repeat 5 in total. Then once you made 5, make a chain and cut the yarn. Now this time we will take the back loop in this yellow yarn here and make a chain, then single crochet in the next yellow stitch, single crochet, 2, 3, or it's okay to not be perfect. Don't worry. And you should have 6 single crochet. Then after, leave a long tail. Pull up this. Take your darning needle and sew the front loop stitches. Then with your 16 centimeter wire, insert in the middle, then pull tight. Okay, it should be like this. And then you will need to glue the below the sepal so it won't remove right here. Then wrap around with this green yarn. Then at the bottom, glue the remaining yarn. Okay, I made 3 different colors. This is light blue, and I made 5 pieces. Then the pink one, also 5, and then the violet yarn or purple yarn. And now we will make the grip, the one we hold to this flower. Make a magic ring, chain 2 and 12 half double crochet. Then once you've made your 12 half double crochet, do a half double crochet spiral for round 2 to round 15, and it's 15 rounds in total. Again, this is what it looked like after the 15 rounds to up to here. Then round 16, 2 double crochet in each of the stitch for 24 double crochet around. And then round 17, double crochet in the first stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then repeat a double crochet and 2 double crochet for 36 stitches. Now for the last round, we will do a chain of 3. Then into the stitch marker, do a double crochet. Then repeat a chain of 3, then double crochet, chain of 3, then double crochet into the same stitch. Then repeat a chain of 3 in the next stitch, double crochet, and a total of 3 times in each of stitch.